What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can design a logo from scratch. So the first step, I'm trying to develop an idea of the logo, the way I want it to look like. So I want something that is similar to letter M. So I'm trying to sketch through the idea, and later I'm going to use that idea to make my logo. So it's just an idea. I first sketched it on my paper, then later I drew it in Illustrator, so using the strokes and those stuff. So now I'm trying to make it perfect using the strokes. So the best thing about Illustrator is, especially when you're using shapes to make logos, they can be so perfect if you are interested in using the shapes. So please, you can follow along, and you can also ask me where you've not understood. So allow me to take you through. So I'm now using the live paint bucket to fill the parts or the space from my sketch or from my outline. So in the background I had put the copy of my sketch to use it as a reference. So now I turned a little bit I reduced the corners. You know, you don't have to leave the logo to be with sharp edges. You have to at least add some round corners for it to be simple and clean. So now I'm trying to figure out the font and the way the typography of my tagline. So MSV represents massive, so I'm trying to figure out how I want this to look. So you can also look through, you can watch how I design this. You know, when designing a logo, you have to sample so many things so that you get what you want. You cannot just come to the program and do what you want straight. So you have to take a lot of time designing and generating ideas so that you can get what you want. So I also got a color palette I generated it from. There is an image where I got that color palette. I got it from Behance, and yes, I was interested in the color palette. So I'm designing the icon. So I want to design the app icon, the way how that logo could appear on the phone or on the mobile as an app. So I'm trying to do that, and I'm going to make another thing called a word mark. So you take a lot of time to design this. By the way, you may see this, I used some time lapse to reduce on the length of this video because it was so long. So I decided to cut it some parts because I know most of you guys have at least an idea of, especially those who are interested in logo designing, you have at least an idea on what to do using Adobe Illustrator. So I have a word mark, I have a logo, and I have in two colors. Yes, I want to at least to make other colors. I want it at least in black and white, those main colors that we as logo designers we always look at. So I have to make sure I have it in black and I have it in white. So I'm preparing this. I want to export them, and I'm going to show you how you can export all of this. So now that's how I exported. You go to file, then you go to export and export for screen, and that's it. So guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting my channel, and please don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to support my channel. Thank you so much. Peace.